How to change your Gmail address password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail address password. First, open Gmail on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. After that, tap on Manage your Google account. Now, tap on Personal Info, then tap on Security. Next, scroll down and tap on Password. Here, you will need to verify that it's you. After that, enter your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Then, tap on Change Password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.